Across the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, a timeless dance begins anew. Carried on invisible currents, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the azure canvas. Their annual pilgrimage brings them to Rameswaram, a sacred island where land meets sea, and life flourishes in perfect harmony. Here, amidst the serenity, they find a sanctuary, a place to rest, refuel, and raise the next generation. But Rameswaram isn't just a haven for flamingos. It's a seasonal haven for a vibrant tapestry of avian life. Witness the spectacle as these feathered voyagers share the island's bounty, a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Rameswaram, a place where the timeless rhythm of nature unfolds, a symphony of life painted against the backdrop of the endless sea. Come, experience the magic of Rameswaram, where the spirit of migration soars on the wings of wonder.